Hi guys,
Yes, ma'am.
this is Zorella.
Guys, what's the difference? 3, 2, 1. Her hair is new.
Yeah, I have shorter hair.
My hair is longer than yours because my hair is all in my shoulder na.
No, my hair is shorter than yours naman. So, for today's kwentuhan,
That's why.
I
Yeah.
have a question for Rella. So, kasi yesterday, the other day pa, Wednesday, sinabi na niya sa akin na, at nakalagay din actually sa reminders nila na they have to choose one
Cloud.
club. So, nabasa ko, there are
Big cloud.
Glee Club, Dance Club, Book Club, Art Club.
Pero alam mo.
Wait. Wait.
Me first po.
I'm explaining. So, yung unang araw, sabi niya, she wants to join the dance club. Sabi ko, sige, go. Gusto ko kasi magaling naman siya mag-dance talaga eh. Na needs
Kasi alam mo sinayaw nila?
ano,
Patsigid siya na.
needs a little practice. Gusto ko siya ma-improve.
Pero,
Pero,
ni Teacher Art eh.
ngayon, pag uwi niya kanina, kasi ngayon Friday yung...
I will say it na.
Wait.
Me first.
Rella, I'm explaining pa. I'll give you time to talk,
Me
okay?
first.
I'll give you time to talk.
I have something.
I'll give you time to talk. I'll give you time to talk. Oh, I'll give you time to talk.
Huwag mo sabihin.
No. Ngayon, pag uwi niya kanina, sinundo ko siya, ibang club ang sinalihan niya. Akala ko ba, usapan namin, dance club ang gustong-gusto niya. So, she joined. Oh, now, I'll give you time to talk.
Diba?
Oh, so now, what club did you join?
Diba, I signed up for arts club.
Oh,
Pero, I said, teacher, can I change? E di, I went to book club.
mm.
E di, boring pala. Hindi naman ako magdadraw. I want to draw. Eh, sa dance club naman, ganito lang. Sinasabi ni teacher art, ice cream yummy. Ice cream good.
Oh, nag-audition ka, di ba? Mm. Oh, what is
Sinayaw ni teacher art,
mm.
patsi, kitsa na,
Oh.
Tas, ice cream yummy.
Oh, what happened nga? What happened? Anong club nga ang... Tell them, what club did you join?
Drummer, please. Book club!
Book club. Okay, why? Explain to me. Why did you change your mind from dance club?
Diba, I assigned for arts club, but they changed to book club.
O kaya nga, give me the reason. Give me one good reason or kahit many good reasons why you change your mind from dance club to art club then book club.
Because I like to read, I want to learn new words from the dictionary, and I want to share the favorite part of my story.
You want to read stories?
Yeah, I want to share the favorite part of my story.
Sure ka doon?
Yeah.
Ano ba gagawin daw sa book club?
It is a book club pag almost the end of the school year. We will bring our books and share our favorite. We will share the favorite part of our story, and then we will play some games, and then we will read the story, and then we will act out a story.
May action siya?
Mami na Juliet! Sana si Juliet ako! Ayoko si Romeo! Ayoko yung nanay ni Juliet!
May gagawin kayong acting pala.
Ayoko yung nanay ni Juliet! Tatay ni Juliet! Gusto ko si Juliet!
Okay. Depende kay teacher yan.
Gusto ko si Juliet! Gusto ko si Juliet!
Well, it's up to your...
Pag sinali ako, my goodness, pag Juliet ako, ang dami kong sasabihin.
Nako.
Romeo, take me somewhere we'll be alone. I'll be with... Kakanta ko pa yun, oh my goodness!
So baka mahirapan kayo ng acting pa kayo, no?
Okay lang?
Hindi nyo pa kaya yun as grade 1. Eh.
Grade 2 at grade 1 kasali.
Hindi ka nakikita ka.
Grade 2 at grade 1 kasali. Sana
siya ang lead role, Juliet.
Di ba sa lead role ako sa Christmas? Sa Ho Ho Ho, alright everyone. Alam ko, pipiliin ako ni teacher. Because I'm good at memorizing, di ba?
Pero kasi may acting yan eh.
Oo nga.
Mama may parang iiyak ka pa. Iiyak ka, bigla kang tatawa.
Akaling na ang tunog. Pag wicked witch, oh my goodness. Pag iiyak naman. Sa Squid to Game, di ba may actress? Kunyari iiyak siya, pero she cover her face with her hair. Tumatawa pala siya.
Popular.
Anong
I wanna be a popular. Parang namumuti yung labi ko rito sa popcorn. Ang hirap ubusin. Ang dami. Help me.
I'm not happy. You're so salty.
Okay. Good luck to your book club. Sana marami ka rin.
Sana sumali ako sa Juliet.
Marami ka matutunan.
Pag Juliet ako, iiyak pa ako, di ba?
Minsan gano'n, may mga drama-drama. So,
Drama.
good luck to your book club, Arella. Be good always in school.
Bye.
Thank you for answering me. Thank you. Bye. God bless.
Bye.